Oh, good morning. My voice is still gone, so I'm gonna still let it rest. I'm gonna still let the congestion go through, try to cough it out. But maybe another kind of quiet day. I got a lot of cleaning to do, so maybe you'll stay with us. See you later. Well, slightly cleaned up. Gonna go find some new mattresses for the kids. Go shopping. Bed frames and mattresses put off. Okay, back to some more cleaning. This has been a very long day. We've done a lot of cleaning, a lot of moving around in the house. But good news, it feels really good outside. Well, I'm tired. Don't want to call it a night. Good night, guys.